Hi guys, welcome back to Crochets. Of course, if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. My name is Liz. You need to subscribe to this channel by the way, because if you're not subscribed to Crochets, you don't know what you're missing out on. So many crochet tutorials, well explained, beginner friendly. You're going to love them. So subscribe and join the family. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you. Thank you for always joining me in the tutorials. Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and for being part of this family. I don't take you for granted. Today, I just want to show you how I style this top. I made this top that I'm wearing from a tutorial that I did 3 years ago, and this is how the back part of the top looks like. I feel like the strappy part, this part is way too close. Like I would want this part to be a bit open such that we have the straps looking very beautiful at the back. And so as I was creating the new top, which is in off-white, I did some adjustments with the back part and it's looking way better than this one. I'm not saying this one is not good. I love it. I still wear it like that. I love how it looks, but I love the new one better with the adjustments. Let me put it on. I show it to you. This is my new top. Let me show you the back. Ta-da! Do you see how the back of this top looks like? If you compare this with the gray, which one would you pick? The white, of course. The off-white, of course, right? Yeah, I love how the back of this top looks. It's way better than the initial one. So do you think I should do a new tutorial with the adjustments? If you think I should, just tell me in the comment section and I'll get right to it. Because like I mentioned earlier, I'm planning on creating so many recreations of this top. I love this top and I love how I can style it in so many different ways. So my first way of styling this top is with a denim pair of pants. This one, grayish black. I think the white will definitely look better in gray with a gray pair of pants or a black one. I don't know if it will look good with blue, but it could. But the best way to style it, if you're wearing a pair of pants, I think is to go with the black or gray, at least for the white, the off-white, that is. If you're wearing a colored one, like let's say yellow, I think yellow would go very well with a blue denim. It would also go well with black. Basically, you can style it with any color. So yeah, this is my first way of styling this top. Let's go to the second way of styling it. This is option number 2, a maxi skirt. The slit is way too short. It should be up here. But yeah, this is the look with a black maxi skirt. I would give this look a 9 out of 10. Option number 3 is with a crochet skirt, a maxi crochet skirt. The shell stitch maxi crochet skirt. I love this skirt. Just look how good these two look together. I've just thought about it right now and I just had to wear it because it's amazing. They look so good together, right? And all these looks, I'll just need to throw in my white sneakers and everything will be perfect. So this is option number 3 and I'm giving this a 9.5 out of 10 because it's crochet. We love crochet, right? So 9.5 for this. There's a tutorial for this skirt on this channel. I'll actually be leaving links for every crochet piece that will be in this video. I'll be leaving a link to the tutorial for every crochet piece in this video. So option number 3 is a maxi crochet skirt. Make sure you check it out. I love this so much. I think this is what I'm wearing today. I'm not sure yet, but there's hope in this look. Option number 4 is with a skirt. It could be a skirt or a mini skirt, and I'm giving this a 7 because I don't really like the back of this skirt. I always wear it and then end up not stepping out in it, but I love the look. We're giving this look a 7 out of 10. This one is a dress that I do not understand how it should be worn, but I'm thinking of turning it into a skirt, and this is how I would style it with this top. Let me show you. So this is how it would look like. Of course, I would have to cut off these straps and work on the waist, but this is a look when the dress is turned into a skirt. I think I love it. 8 out of 10 for this. What do you think? This is look number, I don't even know what number this is, 4 or 5. Yeah. Next we have my favorite pair of pants, the solid shell stitch pair of pants. This is my favorite. I made it for my birthday last year and I recreated it for my friend too, and this is how it looks. Of course, I'm giving this a 10 because, again, it's crochet and it's my favorite pair of pants. A 10 over 10 for this look. Tell me what you think. I love it so much. I could step out like this. Last and not least, we have this mustard maxi skirt. I made these 2 tutorials back to back and they were always meant to complement each other. So we are definitely giving this look a 10 because they came together. They were born together. So that's my final look. Tell me what you think about the styling of this top in the comment section and let me know whether you think I should do the adjustments or not. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the different styles or the different styling of this top, and let me know if these are videos that you'd want me to do consistently, the styling videos or the videos of me styling my crochet pieces. Would you like me to do more of these videos? And make sure that you like the video, share, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and see you in the next tutorial. Or in the next video. It doesn't have to be a tutorial.